Duffel bag men are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best duffel bag from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Most people tend to travel with a suitcase or backpack, but we're here to review the best duffel bags and highlight their many advantages. Now that big outdoor brands like Marmot, the North Face, and Patagonia have put their know-how and years of experience into this marketplace, the duffel bag has been revolutionized. No longer just an oversized bag to get from point A to point B. Even the simplest travel duffel, however, have their advantages. For one, they're the best option if you are traveling with bulkier items such as snow boots, life jackets, or camping gear. So first of all, duffel bags are awesome. They're physically tough. Your belongings are easy to access and kept safe by the waterproof fabric. Even the worst baggage handler can't do much harm. Below are the most important features to pay attention to when you are deciding on your purchase, because there are so many bags on the market. However, not all duffels are the same. Choosing the right one requires looking at different factors. Our list of factors below will give you a rough idea of what you should be looking out for when being on the hunt for a new duffel bag. From detachable backpack straps to a rolling duffel, there are more options than you might first think. What do you plan to carry in your duffel bag? And where are you traveling to? You may need an ultra-durable duffel backpack that can handle the abuse of long-term and international travel, or you may only need a simple bag to get you to from the airport. Perhaps you're going on a boat or river adventure or traveling around Europe in winter. Either way, a waterproof or weatherproof bag is the ticket. Pay attention to the bag's materials. When deciding which travel duffel bag for you, you need to first think about your style of packing. Are you looking for a duffel bag that consists of a single large main compartment, or one with several compartments and an internal mesh pocket in addition to the main one? If you're traveling for business, you should consider a bag that protects tech gear, such as a laptop, as well as allows you to pack your clothes without creases. You might also want to look at features such as compression straps that keep everything neat and in place. If you've got heaps of gear to organize and need things easy to access, you might also want to consider exterior pockets.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.